Nature granola.
5 stars. Gordon Ramsay would be proud. Ah.
Don't judge me, little guy. I'm just out here surviving.
All right, I got some food in me. Next step, fire. Every survival guy says you need fire. How hard can it be? It's just hitting rocks together until they burst into flames, right?
I'm a fire master!
You know what? Forget the fire. I'll just find somewhere to sleep before the squirrels mug me out here.
Boss is nature's burrito, nice and cozy. Best blanket ever.